We're here at 66 Bovet Road. Bovet. Bovet. Interesting. Gee, I wonder where we are. I'm willing to bet this was a Lexan.
Maybe.
Ooh. Penthouse?
Still on its original controller and motor.
The key switch labels are completely gone.
Switch spots.
They have multicolored directional lanterns.
Actually, I take it back. This was probably a Schindler model.
Yeah, maybe. Watch this. Don't push one yet. Don't push the. Oh, never mind.
Saw that too.
That's fine. I just want to hear all like relays. Watch these lanterns. I like that. Wow. Nice lobby.
Traction for 3 floors. You can't beat that.
Actually, you can. 2-floor traction Dover impulse?